You might have probably heard about the most common animal hybrid, mule, which is a cross between a female horse and a male donkey. But did you know there are more of these mixed animals? With human intervention, we now have zonkies, ligers, and savanna cats. Although species and breeds crossing is not common in nature, some hybrids like the Coywolf, a mix of a coyote and a wolf, can reproduce. These animals are typically infertile, except for a few exceptions. While the internet is filled with photoshopped images, this list showcases truly amazing and real creatures. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video before jumping on. Here are 10 hybrid animals that will surprise you. A liger is a hybrid animal resulting from the crossbreeding of a male lion and a female tiger. It is considered the largest known cat species and possesses physical characteristics from both parent species. Ligers are known for their impressive size, being larger than both lions and tigers. They have a lion's mane and tiger's stripes, creating a striking appearance. Ligers are rare and are primarily found in captivity, typically in zoos and wildlife reserves. They are popular attractions due to their unique combination of features and their status as one of the largest cat hybrids. A Tigon is a hybrid animal produced by breeding a male tiger with a female lion. It is the reverse crossbreed of a liger, which is the result of a male lion and a female tiger. Tigons have physical traits that resemble both lions and tigers, but they are generally smaller in size. They have stripes like a tiger but possess a lion-like body structure. Tigons are rare and are primarily found in captivity, usually in zoos or wildlife parks. They are known for their unique appearance and serve as fascinating examples of interbreeding between different big cat species. A zonkey, also known as a zebroid, is a hybrid animal resulting from the crossbreeding of a zebra and a donkey. It combines the characteristics of both parent species, with the body shape and temperament of a donkey and zebra-like stripes on its legs and sometimes body. Zonkeys are rare and typically found in regions where zebras and donkeys coexist or in captive settings. They are sterile and cannot reproduce. Zonkeys are often kept as novelty or exhibition animals in zoos and private collections due to their unique and intriguing appearance. A Jaglion is a rare hybrid animal that results from the crossbreeding of a male jaguar and a female lion. It combines traits from both parent species, with the jaguar's rosette-like spots and the lion's overall body structure. Jaglions are characterized by their unique and striking appearance. They have only been documented in a few cases in captivity and are not commonly found in the wild. Jaglions exhibit fascinating genetic characteristics and are often considered valuable and prized animals. However, due to their rarity, they remain relatively uncommon and are primarily seen in zoos and wildlife parks. A coywolf, also known as the eastern coyote, is a hybrid animal resulting from the interbreeding of coyotes and wolves. It is found primarily in eastern North America and exhibits characteristics of both parent species. Coywolves have a mix of coyote-like and wolf-like traits, including a larger size and a more wolf-like appearance compared to typical coyotes. They have adapted well to suburban and urban environments and are known for their intelligence and adaptability. Coywolves play a crucial ecological role and are considered a notable example of hybridization in the wild. A zebroid, commonly known as a zonkey, is a hybrid animal that results from the crossbreeding of a zebra and a horse or donkey. It combines the physical characteristics of both parent species, with the zebra's distinctive striped pattern and the body shape of a horse or donkey. Zebroids are rare and are typically found in regions where zebras and horses or donkeys coexist or in captivity. They are sterile and cannot reproduce. Zebroids are often considered unique and visually captivating animals, leading to their popularity in some zoos and private collections. A Hinny is a hybrid animal that is the result of breeding a male horse with a female donkey. It is the counterpart of a mule, which is the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. Hinny's physical characteristics reflect a mix of traits from both parent species, with a body structure similar to that of a horse and donkey-like features. Hinnies are less common compared to mules and are primarily found in regions where horses and donkeys coexist or in captive settings. Like mules, Hinnies are typically sterile and unable to reproduce. They are sometimes used for certain types of work or as companion animals. A Cama is a hybrid animal resulting from the crossbreeding of a male llama and a female camel. It is a relatively rare hybrid and shares characteristics of both parent species. Camas possess the long neck and hump of a camel along with the woolly coat of a llama. They are typically larger than llamas and exhibit a unique appearance. Camas are known for their ability to adapt to harsh environments and are primarily found in captive settings, such as zoos and private animal collections. Due to their hybrid nature, Camas are usually infertile and cannot reproduce. A Leopon is a hybrid animal resulting from the crossbreeding of a male leopard and a female lion. It is a rare hybrid and exhibits characteristics of both parent species. Leopons have a combination of a leopard's spots and a lion's body structure, often resembling a large, muscular lion with leopard-like markings. They are larger than leopards but smaller than lions. Leopons are primarily found in captivity, particularly in zoos and wildlife parks, as they rarely occur naturally in the wild. Due to their hybrid status, Leopons are typically sterile and unable to reproduce. They are considered unique and fascinating examples of interspecies breeding. Grolar bears are hybrids resulting from the mating of polar bears and grizzly bears. They exhibit a mix of physical features from both species, such as lighter coloration and thick fur from polar bears, and a muscular build and shoulder hump from grizzly bears. Grolar bears are relatively rare and found in regions where the ranges of polar bears and grizzly bears overlap, like northern Canada and Alaska. Their population and long-term viability are not well studied. While hybridization is a natural occurrence influenced by environmental changes, the conservation implications are still being studied. Which of these hybrid creatures do you think is both more powerful and more appealing? I look forward to hearing your thoughts on this. See you in the new video. Goodbye.